For phonics this week, we are focusing on AW that says ah, AUGH that says ah, AL that says ah, so the L is silent, and AU that says ah. Last week, we focused on GH that says f and NG that says ng. So, if you go through the blue words, well, first go through the orange words and say those sounds to yourself. Then go to the blue words and use what you know about those sounds that you see. So use the skills you have with phonics to sound them out if you don't know how to read them. And then you put all those skills together to read this red sentence at the bottom. It's really important that you practice this. On the next slide, you are doing a drag and drop. Our learning target for this is I can read AW, ah words. Drag and drop the pictures to the correct word. So let's look at what the pictures are. My turn, your turn. Pa, lawn, hawk, yawn, straw, jaw, crawl, draw. So once again, those pictures are pa, lawn, hawk, yawn, straw, jaw, crawl, and draw. So you're going to read these 8 words and drag and drop the picture that goes with the word. When you're done, press the X and press the blue turn in button.